Good afternoon, my dear children. Welcome to mathematics class. In previous class, you learned some sums from exercise 5.1. And today, I'm going to explain some more questions from exercise 5.1. With that, we can complete exercise 5.1. That means total 10 sums are there for your examination. So remaining sums are deleted. It's not there for the examination. So these sums, 10 sums, you must note down in your classwork. Okay, children. So let us move on to the content. So sixth question, in previous session already explained 5 sums, and the sixth question in exercise 5.1, that is from chapter 5, comparing quantities using proportion. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle. Write all possible ratios by taking the measures of sides pairwise. See here, AB is to BC is equal to, means you have to take the measure of, means the sides you have to consider. So we'll consider the pair of the sides AB and BC, BC and AC, and AC and AB. So AB is to BC, that is 8 is to 6. 8 and 6 both are going in a 2 table, 2 4s, 2 3s. So the simplest form of this ratio is 4 is to 3. Now BC is to AC. BC length is 6 and AC length is 10. So 6 is to 10. That means 2 3s and 2 5s. The ratio is 3 is to 5. Now the next one is AC is to AB. That is AC length is 10 and AB is 8. So both are going in 5 table, 2 table, 2 5s and 2 4s. So it is the simplest form is 5 is to 4. Now the next one is question number 7. 9 out of 24 students scored marks 75% marks below 75% marks in a test. Find the ratio of students scored below 75% marks to the students scored 75% and above. That means total students here is equal to 24. Total students are 24. Number of students who scored below 75% is 9. So we should find out number of students who scored above 75 is total students minus number of students who scored below 75. That is 24 minus 9. So 15 students scored above 75%. Now we should find the ratio of students scored below 75 to students scored above 75. That is 9 is to 15. Both are going in a 3 table. 3 3s are and 3 5s are. So the simplest form of 9 is to 15 is 3 is to 5. Now 8th question. Find the ratio of the number of vowels in the word Mississippi to the number of consonants in the simplest form. So first, what are the total letters in the word? Mississippi, Mississippi. Total letters in this word is 11. So total, here the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. You know that. So we have only I is there repeated 4 times. So 4 I's are there. So total number of vowels here is 4. Consonant remaining all are consonants. That means 11 total letters are 7. In that vowels are 4 means 11 minus 4. 7 will be the consonants. So ratio of vowels to the consonants in the given letter is 4 is to 7. Next question. Rajendra and Rehana own a business. Rehana receives 25% of the profit in each month. If Rehana received rupees 2080 in a particular month, what is the total profit in that month? That means let us assume that the total profit in the month is rupees X. Then the percentage of profit received by Rehana is how much? 25%. Now, amount received by her is by Rehana is 2080 rupees. So 25% of the total profit is how much? 2080. How will represent that? 25% of X. That means total profit. This is only the share of Rehana, but total profit means the profit received by both Rehana and Rajendra. We have assumed that total amount as X. So total profit amount is X. Then the share of Rehana is 25%. So 25% of the total profit is equal to how much he received? 2080, which is equal to 2080. Then how will you get 25%? 25 by 100. This is into 25 by 100 into this is X. So 25 by 100 into X is equal to 2080. Then X is equal to 2080 into 25 by 100 is going that side, it will become as reciprocal. So reciprocal of 25 farad is what? 100 by 25. So into 100 by 25. 125 are going in 25 table. 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. Now multiply here. X is equal to 2080 into 4 because the denominator is 1. So 2080 into 4 it is 8320. So total profit in that particular month is rupees 8320 rupees. In that Rehana share is 2080. The remaining amount is who is that Rajendra's share. Now that we don't require, that's why I didn't find out that. Okay. Now 10th question. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to 2.2 centimeters, BC is equal to 1.5 centimeters, and AC is equal to 2.3 centimeters. And in triangle XYZ, XY is equal to 4.4, YZ is equal to 3 centimeters, ZX is equal to 4.6 centimeters. Find the ratio of AB is to XY and BC is to YZ and AC is to XZ. Are the lengths of corresponding sides of triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are in proportion? That means we must check the ratios of all these pairs. Where if you get all these ratios are equal, then we say that these all are in a proportion. Let us see that. Ratio of AB is to XY. AB is given as 2.2 and XY is given as 4.4. Both are going in 1.1, that is 1.12s are 2.2 and 1.14s are 4.4. Again 2 and 4 are going in 2 table, 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So the simplest form of this ratio is 1 is to 2. Now next one is ratio of BC is to YZ. BC is 1.5 and YZ is 3. 1.5 ones are 1.5, 1.5 exactly twos are 3. You multiply 1.5 with 2, you will get 3. So the ratio of simplest form of 1.5 is to 3. The simplest form of this ratio is 1 is to 2. Now the last one is ratio of AC is to XZ. That is 2.3 is to 4.6. Again 2.3 exactly, if you multiply 2.3 with 2 table, you get 4.6. That means 2.3 ones are 2.3 and 2.32s are 4.6. So the simplest form of this ratio is 1 is to 2. In all these three, we got 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2 and 1 is to 2. The ratios are simplest form of all these three ratios are equal. So we can say that yes, the lengths of the corresponding sides of both the triangles are in a proportion. So my dear children, I hope you might have understood the today's sums from exercise 5.1 very well. That is 5 sums are explained 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So these 5 sums are explained from exercise 5.1. With this we completed exercise 5.1. The next session I'm going to start exercise 5.2. So practice first all these 5 sums very well and then you will write all these sums as one time as a assignment. So my dear children, thank you very much and thank you one and all.